Hello, St. Paul's. This is an update for Friday, September 18th, and this is what's going on in ministry and in the renovation that is continuing in the church. This Sunday, we will continue with our study looking at the big picture, and this Sunday we're looking at identity, at who we are and what that means for us in life. The live stream will be at 10:30, and you can find the link for that at our homepage, stpaulsottawa.com. You will also find there links for the children's ministry and for youth ministry and the various things that are happening. You'll also find a Connect card there. You can click on that and give us your name and contact information and any questions that you have, and we will get back to you. Our plan to reopen on October the 4th is still in place. The Government of Ontario has announced that private gatherings will have to be smaller. We do not believe at this point in time that this refers to church services. If we find that that is the case, we will inform you as soon as we can. So we are still moving towards reopening the building for October the 4th. We will provide information early next week. It will involve registering in advance online or over the telephone with the church office to reserve a place in the building for a particular service. At the time of registration, there will be a COVID pre-screening that you will need to do, and then when you arrive on Sunday, that will be confirmed when you come into the building. But that information will be posted on the website early next week. I would like to thank all those who continue to support the work of St. Paul's financially. It is greatly appreciated that we don't have to be constantly worrying about how we are going to be paying bills. So thank you. From the bottom of our hearts, we thank you. Also, I want to thank you for simply being the church. I'm hearing people say they've so appreciated ministry of St. Paul's in a variety of different ways. And this is exciting, particularly when I have had nothing to do with it, because it means the church is being the church, where we love one another, we care for one another, and we support one another. So I thank you for being the church. Now here's a bit of video on what is going on in the building and the renovations that are happening, and I think you will see some changes. This is the view from the lobby in towards the new family area, and as you can see, the windows are in to give light into this space. Out back, you can see the new windows, and the door frame is in. The doors are not there yet. But this is the back of the church, and you can see some of the construction-related items around the parking lot. In Campbell Hall itself, you can see that much of the finishing work has been completed. Most, if not all, of the lights are now in, though not all of them are attached to switches yet. That will still to come. But you can see that the lights near the kitchen are lights that hang, and the lights in the bulk of the ceiling are small LED pot lights, and things are looking really good. The amount of light that comes in now through into that space is truly wonderful. It's a very good space to be. The Lord bless you and keep you.